Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 7, APIs and Function Parameters. Today we're going to learn a new way to move. The move forward turtle command that we've used so far moves the turtle the same amount every time. This is roughly about 25 pixels. If you remember, pixels are that little dot on your screen. So it's basically moving 25 dots. Similarly, turn left turns the turtle at exactly 90 degrees. Today we're going to see how some functions can accept an input, such as a number, to more exactly control behavior. For example, you can write move forward 103. The turtle will then move exactly 103 pixels as you like. We have some instructions in here. How far is it to the top edge of the screen? Run the program to see the new version of move forward in action. Then, changing only the number supplied to move forward, move the turtle to the top edge of the screen. Experiment to find out the distance in pixels between where the turtle starts and the top edge of the screen. Once you've found it, compare with your neighbor to see that you're seeing the same thing and click Finish to move on. Note, there might be slight differences depending on whether your turtle goes to touch the edge or goes off the screen entirely. We'll do both here. Let's take a look at our workspace here. We only have one command right now, which is move forward. Let's move that over. So it's set up here. It should be roughly 103 pixels in there. So I'm just going to put the number 103. If I hit run now, my little turtle should move up roughly 103 pixels. Let's hit run and see. There we go, right up there. That's good. The problem here is we want the tip of this to touch the tip right here, or we want the turtle to completely go off screen. I know what you're thinking. It's easy to type in the number 400 and call it a day, because that would take it all the way off the screen. We want to be a little more precise with that. Let's first get this turtle to touch the tip over here. First thing I'm going to do is just take a minute to think about this. This is roughly 450 pixels long. I'm right around the middle. In fact, it says I'm about 235. So let's split the difference and start there. Half of 450 is 225. Let's type that in and let's see. Ooh, right there. Now you can see I am really close. Really close, but I still have some space there. Let's try going up to 230 and see what happens. That goes off. So I know my answer right now is somewhere between 225 and 230. Let's split the difference again. Let's do 227. Reset run. Pretty good. I think I went a little over. Let's just take one off. Let's do 226. Reset, run. That is pretty good. That looks like it is nearly touching. Everything looks good to me. If I wanted to go over this, I would just simply add the number. I know right now I'm at 226. That number has to be bigger than that. My pixel's roughly 3, maybe 4 long. Let's just try going up 136. I'm sorry, 236. Reset, run. Gets me about halfway. So if 226 was touching, 236 gets me halfway. Let's try 246. And that might get me all the way over. That is so close. You can just see the little two tails right there. Let's go up to 250. That's way over. Let's back it down to 48. I think that's pretty good right there. You can barely see those two little parts there. I bet you if I went to 249, I wouldn't see anything. And I don't. So the answer here is 249 if I go all the way, 226 if I just wanted to touch the edge. Pretty neat that we can now control the exact movement of our turtle, and I am sure that's going to come up in the next lesson. Let's see if code.org agrees. Hey. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next lesson.